So this is Awesome Tiger filming homemade lemonade. That rhymed a bit for made. Well, they were the both same words. So this is perfect. It's healthy. It's got good vegetables. And here's the secret. No, you don't have to go through that sticky thing. If you use limes, that's a trick. So obviously we need a lime for an ingredient. Well, that's not obvious for lime, but we are using limes if you don't like that sticky thing after you drink lemonade. And you need a knife, a chopping board, now that you have a knife, a tablespoon, well, teaspoon, no. Okay, I'm confused with that. A glass, obviously, and honey, and a lemon squeezer. So, how to get started. First, you gotta roll it out, your lime out like this. And before you even think about squeezing it, wash the lime. Okay, so that's what you gotta do. Let's get the lime. That was risky. Okay, so this is risky as you see. Look, yay. So please ask your mom. And you are way smarter than me. If you knew that you had to give it to your mom. So we have lemon cup. And you need to put the lime in the lemon squeezer and squeeze it in. There. That was good squeeze. But there's still more. There's still a lot more. So squeeze it like this on both sides. And that's where it comes out. And that's done. So if you use a small glass like me, then only put half a lime. I'll save the rest in the fridge. Okay, so now I put that lime in the fridge. Wait, no, not honey yet. First, you need to get a little water. Okay, so now if you want a bonus step to lemon soda, get your carbonated water ready. We choose Pellegrino. There are lots more, but Perrier and Pellegrino is all I really know for carbonated water. So now let's add the honey. So if you want it sour, then put 3 tablespoons. But if you want it not as sour, a little sweet, then add 4 tablespoons. Or if you want it super sour, 2 tablespoons. I'm putting 2 tablespoons. I'm just going to scoop that out. I need to scoop that out. So now we're adding the Pellegrino if you want lemon soda. But if you just want lemonade, just add water. See how that fizzes off? Now quickly mix it up. And drink it up as quick as you can. So sour. That's good soda. I'm going to save this. Well, I need to save it. It's perfect soda.